just kidding. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're back playing Catbird. It's been so long, I legit just forgot that this was a series. I legit forgot where I was at. Anyone remember? I think we were definitely on the other planet. We were trying to do that planet, right? And then I don't remember, so let me just check again. Okay, we are recording. Wow, we're nearly like a minute in. So, you guys want to see the storyline again? Because it's been a while, you know, since I picked up. So, storyline is this. Alright, that's not it. Whoa! I played for an hour. Okay. So, where is the storyline? Is it in setting? No. Where is the start? Okay, I think we have to touch to start. Where is the oh yeah, we were here. Zipzile was. Here. Alright. So this is, something. If I remember clearly, these were teleporters. Oh wow, okay, oh, that is hard. That's gonna be hard. Ah, this is gonna be hard, dude. Yeah. Wow. Okay, how do I... Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? Oh my god, 6 deaths already. Dude, that, like, hey, listen, that is a bad, oh no. Come on, let's do this. No, no, I should have gone the other way. There's like this bird thing. Can you guys see that? I'm like emitting smoke. Freaking Death Milk. Hey, by the way, go check out Death Milk. It's probably gonna be up there for the annotations. Maybe. Oh, that was so close. Okay. How do you do that? You know, fall down. So this part ain't too shabby. But this though, that ain't good. Oh my, this is gonna take time. No. Come on, yes. Ah! What if we just try to straight fall? But that ain't gonna work. Oh, alright. This is a pattern. See, you think that the 2 over there is easier, but no. The 3 one is easier. And they move pretty fast. Okay, that was way too fast going down. 15 deaths, wow. Ooh. I didn't get that. Are you serious? It's gonna make a jump for okay, no, I can't. No, I'm dead. Oh my. This is hard. Yo, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. You're seriously kidding me? Ooh, okay, nearly. I should stay on one side, shouldn't I? Yeah, I think for that one, you have to, like, stay on one side. My timing is off. Okay. Okay, nice. random notification. Oh yeah. Okay, I can chill now. Okay, I'm kind of jumping. Alright, this is good. This is good. Alright, now I have to get down there, is it? So, are you ready? Okay, alright, I'm in. Now down there. Are you ready? Pow! Ooh. Okay, alright. So, how do we make this? I don't want to go in that teleporter again. Do I? I don't know what these people are about. Can I make a leap for it? I think I can, yeah. Alright, are you guys ready? Done! Woo! Alright, electric wire. Oh no, something fell as well. 21 deaths! Wow. There's even electric up there. What's down here? Nothing. Whoa, there might be like secrets and something, like, you know, remember when we did, what was that game called? Phantom Cap. Alright, we Gucci. Oh, shoot. What now? Oh my god, what? How am I supposed to do this? I need to think. What? No way. This is hard. Hold up. What if I didn't touch it? I didn't even touch it! Alright, I got that. Oh, it opens both. What's this? Whoa, that was some new things. Alright, I'm powering through. Checkpoint. Hey, that was an easy check. Okay, so I can't use that again. Ha! I see why they gave me a checkpoint. Oh yeah. So jump when it's down here, right? No. Can you go like forward more quickly with that? Maybe I can just kind of fly through, you know? No. And the key returns. Great. Go. This thing is cool though, you ready? See, I held it there. Can I like maybe go forward with it? I got the checkpoint. Oh yeah, okay then. Why do I have the feeling that the blue ones right now don't work? Let's check it. Oi. I kind of have to wait in the air, don't I? What did I just hit? I don't even know for how long I have been recording. But I think I'm gonna have to end it there. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Like and subscribe the video, and I will see you next time.